Hi, my name's Sam, and today we're talking about the problem with not having a script or an outline or a draft or some sort of idea of what you're going to say that's written out before you start shooting a video. Let's talk about it. Okay, if you are doing any video project with talking involved, I beg you, please start with a script. Now, I don't use a script for all of my videos, but I usually have a pretty good idea of what I want to talk about. But today, about an hour ago, I was like, dang, I haven't posted a YouTube video in 3 weeks. What am I going to talk about? Ooh, I can talk about this. Okay, go. So I've got this different setup. I'm not in my office where I usually am. I'm in my living room. We're about to move in a week, so you probably won't see this couch ever again. But I sat down for about half an hour talking to the camera about a topic that was just kind of in my head, and no complete coherent story was coming together. One of the things you realize when you don't have a script is that you spend so much time in post-production going back and listening to all this junk and trying to put this story together when you really don't have one. So what a script does is it helps you get your thoughts out, helps you kind of mull around with the key points of what you're trying to say, and it helps you whittle down all your information into just what you need to say. Now, I'm not talking about writing a script out word for word or even like a huge bullet list. I just mean kind of write out what you want to say, whether it's just a couple lines or whatever it is. For example, I've got my iPad here and I've got Word pulled up on it. I've got kind of this full page here, and all it is I've just got a little bit of text here I can swipe up and down and just kind of see what I'm up to. Now, I don't always do a script. When I've got something exciting or when I'm just doing something off the cuff, if it's some quick video, I don't do a script. But really anything over a couple minutes of talking, you've got to have something written out. It makes it so much easier to get through what you're trying to say, to make sure you don't miss anything, and to save a lot of time in post-production. All right, that's it. I just wanted to talk quickly about the importance of having a script. I didn't have one today and it got me nowhere, and I didn't have one for this video, so you're probably gonna give me a thumbs down. Just kidding, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe. Anyways, that's it. My name's Sam, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.